Hey Kipsters, it's Miss Ogden. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you today. I'm at a wedding, be quiet, in Philadelphia, and I'll be back on Monday to do your map testing with you. But for today, we're going back over the solving equations. So just as a reminder, okay, the first step is to simplify both sides. So 4y and 2y can be combined to be 6y, okay? Remember, this minus in front of the 9 goes with the 9. So I'm going to turn this into plus a negative 9. So 6y plus negative 9 is 93, okay? Now, what I have right now is I have a balanced equation that is equal to the equation that I was given, okay? If I want to solve it for y, so I want to get to the point where y equals, I want to isolate the variable, which means I want y by itself, okay? Right now, y is not by itself, and part of the problem is this 9, okay? I can do anything I want to an equation as long as I do the same thing to both sides. So to get rid of negative 9, or to get this back to 0, I'm going to add 9 to this side. If I add 9 to this side, I have to add 9 to this side. Because this equation was already equal, I'm going to keep it equal by doing the same thing to both sides. Well, 9 minus 9 is just 0. So this is now 6y is equal to 93 plus 9. 93 plus 9 is 102. So now I have 6 times some number equals 102. So if I want to undo the multiplication, I'm going to do division, okay? This goes in 1 time. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract is 4. Bring down my 2. 6 goes into 42 7 times. So my answer for number 1 would just be y equals 17, okay? This is the value for y, for which this equation, 4y plus 2y minus 9 equals 93, holds true, okay? For my next one, for number 2, again, I encourage you to try it by yourself. Mute this if you want, pause it. Try it by yourself and then check. Otherwise, I'm going to start by combining my like terms. This is 9x. Again, this negative goes with the 97. So this is plus negative 97. Okay? Equals my 29. I want to get x alone. I want to get it by itself. Right now it's not by itself because of this negative 97. So the opposite of subtracting 97, the opposite of subtracting 97 is to add 97. So another way to do it is like this. Some people found this helpful yesterday. Right, so this is new. So if I do that to that side, I have to do it to this side. Okay? I can add whatever. I could add 4, I could add 8, I could add whatever I want as long as I do the same thing to both sides. Okay? Once you simplify that, negative 97 plus 97, well, this just goes to 0. 9x plus 0 is the same thing as 9x. So you can just leave that. Okay? Then you have 97 plus 29. Okay? 97 plus 29, carry the 1, is going to be 126. Is that right? So if 9 times some number is 126, then I need to undo that by doing 126 divided by 9. Boop, boop, beep, boop, boop. Do the math. Do the math. And the correct answer is going to be that x is equal to 14. Check out Nicholas singing in the corner. All right, that's 1 and 2. Kipsters, if you want to see number 3, I really wish you guys could hear Nicholas. This is incredible. If you want to see number 3, I'll go ahead and start it. Okay, number 3 is a little bit trickier because this is negative, but it's going to be the exact same thing. Okay, negative 32, you can leave it here. 4x plus 4x is 8x, okay, equals 32. Now the trick is, I want to get rid of the negative 32. Well, what's the opposite? I'm going to add 32 in this case to both sides. So a 32 over here and a 32 here. Okay? Those cancel out. You're left with 8x is equal to 64. So I'll let you figure out what x is equal to. Have a fantastic Friday, Kipsters. I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Rest up, get a good night's rest. Eat breakfast on Monday because we got our map testing. Nicholas and I leave you with this. You're done singing?